welcome back to my channel. Okay, all right. Yeah, I keep amaze me sometimes, not amaze me, but oh my gosh, blah 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 blah. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crab Queen and today I have another package. Oh, it's really dusty here. 4 weeks not be filming. So yeah, I do have another unboxing video for you guys, and it keeps amazing me on how blessed I am that some websites want to send me things, and I am very blessed with that. So yeah, let's unpack this beautiful package. They always send the packages that they do send, so they pack it so well. I really love it. So I kept it intact, if that's the correct word. I don't think that's a word, but intact. Let's keep it that way. And to see what's inside, I already know it's from Daphnes Diaries, and so oh my gosh, it's so adorable. They sent me a new agenda. Oh my gosh, and I think this is the new one. Oh, number 6. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you already know these Daphnes Diaries magazines. They are so adorable. Full with all, yeah, I can't say this every single time they send me this. I am very blessed that they do keep sending me this unasked. And oh my god, I really love these magazines. If I have more time, then I definitely would use them, but I will save these, and maybe one day I will look at this, how beautiful this is. Even to make cards, they are, each page, it's just, what's this? That's a big, I think it's a, oh, look at this. So cool. And you can use each page. There are cutouts, recipes, stories to read, and I bet you know that I tell you that's the most beautiful thing that I really like, that you can use each page. Each page you also can cut apart in many pieces and then make beautiful cards with those. Look at those colors, recipes. I love these magazines. There always are nice things inside to do. Oh my god, I can't say that enough, guys. It is amazing. I really love these magazines, and it's definitely a nice time to get a cup of coffee or get a cup of tea and sit down and go through, read things, do things, cut things. I just love these magazines. So blessed that they keep sending me this. Thank you so much. But this time the package was a little different. I really got an email this time that they are planning to send me this, and I just loved it. Last year they also did send me their agenda, and it's just adorable. I just love it. I am not a person that will use a agenda, so I must confess that my my agenda from Daphnes Diary that they sent last year, I must confess that I made my mother-in-law very happy with that, because she is old stamp, I don't know, but yeah, she's 80 plus, and those people really use agendas every single week, every day. So she was really happy with that because she really loved it. So I was very lucky that I could make her happy. Look at this. I just love it. They are nice pocket inside. You can write your name in. I do love these. I wish I am a person that use these, but I just don't. And I wish I did. In the old days I did use diaries, and I think this would be definitely a very nice thing to do. also. Not if you're not an agenda person, but you are a diary person. Oh, I really love these. See, folds out. I just love these, and it's oh yeah, I can't say that enough. I really love these. Oh, look at these images, are just so nice. Cards, heaven, it's nice. It's so beautiful. I almost would say I can make an album with this. Oh, for all those beautiful images. I just love it. Oh, I can't keep my eyes off it because it's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Maybe it is time to just use it. Look at this. Oh my god, this keeps going. This keeps going. Oh my gosh, what's this? What's this? Okay, it is a pocket, but oh my gosh, what's inside here? Oh, now I'm curious. What's inside? Oh my gosh, stickers and a ruler in centimeters. Tabs, register cards. Oh my gosh, more stickers. Kind of washi tape. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. And this beautiful envelope. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. So yeah, I know if I like this and I am an album lover, then everyone who watch my channel will love this too. They are. I bet you are loving this, because we do love pockets and secrets and things to put inside. Oh, it's just, yeah. Do you love this agenda? Then please check out their website. Check it out. It's just amazing. 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 Check out their website. I will put a link down below this video, Daphnes Diary, but I will put the links below because they sent me the links that if I would put these under this video. And oh my god, just check it out, guys. I know you will love it. I know you will love it. Thank you so much, Daphnes Diary, that you will keep sending me these. I am very blessed. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. I will pressure it, and it's just, yeah. It keeps getting better each year, I must say that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me please a big thumbs up if you like this. Check out. You definitely need this. You definitely need this for the next year. Definitely. It's a big plus. Alright, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.